stop Taskmaster when I saw him backstage. It's fine. Oh, hey, look, some goons. It's like it's time to clean up their mess. You see, it's all about hitting a really aggressive fight pose. Puts them on the defensive. That way when I throw the first punch, they're less ready and they say, hey, oh, they're going. Yeah, get out of here, get! It's called method acting, ladies and gentlemen. Just fully commit to the bit and you go, ah! Wow, you are just a sneaky little minx, aren't you? Hey, you see what I did to those goons, by the way? You can learn a thing or two from me, Peanut.
Quit playing around and let's go.
All right, well, thanks for coming to pick me up from school. All the other kids think you're way cooler than their moms are. Hey, Wolvie, hey, you want to split a pizza? I bet they let you cut it with your little slicers.
Fine. But if I see one piece of pineapple on that pizza, you're finished.
All right, deal. No pineapple. I prefer bacon. Canadian bacon. Huh? Yeah, there's some Canadians out there, or people that just get the joke. Do you want some Australian bacon, Wolvie?
Why would I want Australian bacon?
You know, because it's fine, they want Australian bacon. It's made out of koalas.
You're disgusting.
Right? No, you're right, it's probably not koalas. I bet it's Vegemite, which is disgusting, by the way. Have you ever tried Vegemite?
Do you ever shut up?
No, they tried to sell my mouth shut once, but it didn't get good reviews on Rotten Tomatoes. You were there for that, actually.
I don't think I was.
Oh, well, all right. Must have been a different version of you. We were talking about pizza, right? Do you want some
Okay, where's the off switch on you?
I can show you where the on switch is.
This guy's ridiculous. Come on.
All right, fine. Bye, everybody.